Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me, Chosen Pet in the Kitchen. Today guys, I'll be doing some pea soup with cow head guys and cow skin. It's all about the cow today. Over this side guys, I'll have some pumpkin here, some garlic here, some pimento seed. Over here I have my milk. I'll be using coconut milk today. Grace coconut, I'll be using my cock soup. I have my yam and my sweet potato guys over this side. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna add in my cow skin and cow head. Guys, so I'm adding in meat. So I'm cooking the peas and the cow skin and the I'll be adding my pumpkin guys, my pimento seed and my garlic. Okay, it's to boil and I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back guys. Here my peas is cooked, my cow head and my cow skin. Here guys, look at this. Look at this guys. So I'm gonna add in now my milk. Over this side guys, I have my, you know, your pea soup without your cornmeal dumpling. And over this side I have my scallion, my thyme, and guys my pepper. Them small, you know, but them are gonna work today. Okay guys, so I'm going to add in my coconut milk, and I'm using, guys, I don't know about a grate and a coconut. So I'm using my coconut powder. So guys, I'm gonna stir. Guys, I'm preparing my yellow yam. Guys, so the yam pretty. Guys, I'm peeling my sweet potato. Okay, you can't do your pea soup without sweet potato. Let me tell you something guys, sweet potato have to be in it. And guys, you can put corn in it, but I don't have any corn to do. Guys, I finished peeling my food, my yellow yam, my sweet potato. Guys, everything you do, you wash. Wash your food guys, wash everything. Okay? Guys, I'm gonna cut out. Side, I have my dough. Okay, guys, you can make your spinners or you can make dumplings. Like this, or you can do it like this. Now some big spinners. Okay, so back over this side, guys, I'm going to add my dough. For me. I'm adding my hot soup. Guys, I'm using everything, powder, noodle, everything I am using. Okay. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. My pea soup with my cow skin and cow head. Got the yam. Guys, I'm adding now my scallion and thyme. My pepper. Guys, I'm adding I'm adding a piece of butter. Okay, you can use the butter of your choice. As I'm also adding a little Maggi for taste. Okay guys, I'm back with the final touch. Guys, look at my soup. Look at my soup. Look at my, guys, look at the cow skin. Look at the cow head. Look at the yam, guys. Oh my God, wish you were here. But anyway, guys, please like up the video. Share up the video, guys. Comment, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. That's when I upload another video, you will be the first to see. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed one. Bye.